Yo, back with Mike LS. Real quick, just doing a quick POV in the Toyota, and that's crazy. Y'all know about the Toyota. Well, some of y'all maybe do if y'all follow me on YouTube or whatever. If you're around me, you know about the Toyota. I call it the back of the Toyota Solara, the 2004 Solara. One thing about the 2004 Solara, people, is always around, is always available, is always ready to run on some real ish. Because, you know, we got all these other cars, the Charger, we got Renzel, the Escalade, we got the box Chevy. But when all of these things fail, they go down, and I gotta fix it. The I won't say all American, well, I'll say the car, the 2004 Toyota Solara, was always up and running, never let me down, never fail, always take me to point A to point B when I need it. So that's what I'm in right now. Just gotta run it, man. Just gotta run it sometime. Put a little bit of gas in it, because when it's ready to go, it's ready to go. You dig? And that's what I'm in right now, with the flip screen and all that. Today's a nice day though, a little windy, man, but you know, I gotta do that that motorcycle POV. So yeah, I'm just giving y'all this this dual action footage, you know what I mean? Woo! With the Apple 17, the iPhone 17. Pretty dope. And that's what it is. So stay tuned. Y'all already know the vibes. Renzel is up next. And I did a POV actually, and not Renzel, the box Chevy with the Insta360 dope ass camera. So stay tuned to that. Y'all already know, just touching that real quick, y'all already know, Life of Mike LS. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Go into my back end videos. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you don't gotta subscribe, but look at the videos. The views count, the likes count, because we in fourth quarter and we taking it up for 2026, because we just got our feet wet in 2025. We did that Long Island tour. Look at my back end Long Island tour videos. We went hard for Long Island. I don't know what's coming for Long Island next year, but we went hard. And I'm gotta do basically like a recap. I gotta do a 2025 summer recap of all the car shows, all the movements, everything, missing pieces, things we missed, things we did, and that's what it is. Come on, what the hell? Whoa, 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 whoa! You seen that? Trying to like move with that NYPD sticker? You bored? Like, come on, homie. All right, but y'all already know. So this was just a quick short, basically, of, you know, just me moving around, POV in different vibe, different car. Y'all already know. All right, later.